My kiddos, especially my 3-year-old, love all things make-believe, and that especially is true for all things make-believe kitchen. So with that, we recently got this Learning Resources Prep and Store Kitchen Island, and he has had so much fun with it. It truly is the perfect size for toddlers. From his last measurement, he was about 38, 39 inches tall, and this stands perfectly right above his waist where he can still hold the handle really easily that comes on the side here and be able to push this around and control it. But I also think because of the placement of the handle, it makes it super friendly for lots of kids of all different heights and ages. My 10-month-old is just starting to walk and has a great time being able to push this around by holding onto it. Along with that, not only is this a cute little island cart they can push around and has like that functionality, but it also works as a storage place for any play food. So of course they can store everything in here as needed, and if you have additional play food, this is a great option to kind of store it away as well, because it does have those little baskets and of course the little lip here. The assembly was super easy and the instructions were very easy to understand, which I appreciate because I am not a handy person, so if I'm going to put something together, it better be very easy to do so. It was as easy as just clicking in the legs on all 4 sides, sliding this piece right on top, and then attaching the handle at the end and putting the top right on. High quality materials that this cart and all of the little food toys and accessories are made of, as well as the super kiddo friendly design of having the stopper on one side of the cart and the wheels that are a little bit taller on the other side of the cart. So again, it's not always going to be moving or be able to be pushed. They can have it stand alone, or they can lift aside and roll those wheels. The overall look of this cart is so cute and has that beautiful textured wood look on the top, giving it that butcher block feel for a more realistic approach to the kitchen island look, as well as so many different accessories and pieces here. So it comes with the play food, and the play food itself is a really great quality where everything is kind of like a rubberized feel, where it's not a super hard or hollow plastic. It has more of that squish factor to it, and kind of allows for that flexibility in the play food as well. And while I absolutely love how cute this toy is, I especially love how many opportunities for learning and imaginative play come with this toy. There are very few quality toys that truly help to engage my kids' motor skills, imagination, social skills, and all of that extra learning we want them to do during playtime.